Myself, Mrs. Pawar SV from Maini Bhag Shikshan Prasarak Mandals, College of Pharmacy, Maini, Satara. Course Diploma course in Pharmacy, year 2nd, subject Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2nd. Generally, medicines are organic in nature. Organic compounds are of two types: aliphatic compounds and cyclic compounds. Aliphatic compounds are saturated or unsaturated compounds, that is, open chain compounds, and cyclic compounds are of two types: homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds have all similar atoms in their ring. For example, carbon atoms in benzene ring. Heterocyclic compounds are having different atoms, that is heteroatom, in their ring. Number of drugs in pharmaceutical sciences are heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds may be natural in origin or may be synthetically available. Definition of heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are organic cyclic compounds in which one or more carbon atoms is replaced by atoms like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon. Then such compounds are known as heterocyclic compounds, and atoms nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon are known as heteroatoms. Examples of heterocyclic compounds are pyrrole, furan, thiazole, isothiazole, etc. We are going to study about the nomenclature, numbering, and structure of different heterocyclic compounds. Classification of heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are classified according to the number of atoms present in the ring. If heterocyclic compound contains 5 atoms in their cycle, then these are 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. They may be with one heteroatom, example furan, pyrrole, or they may be with more than one heteroatom, like pyrazole, imidazole, oxazole, etc. Next one are 6-membered heterocyclic compounds, which contains total 6 atoms in their cycle. 6-membered heterocyclic compounds are also with one heteroatom, example pyridine, piperidine, etc. Or they may be with more than one heteroatom, like pyrimidine, pyrazole, etc. 7-membered heterocyclic compounds contains total 7 atoms in their ring, example azepine. Next one are condensed heterocyclic compounds. These are fused ring structures. Heterocyclic compounds are fused with homocyclic compounds or other heterocyclic rings. Examples of fused rings are indole, quinoline, isoquinoline, acridine, phenothiazine, etc. Nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. The name of heterocyclic compound is derived from the nature of heteroatom present in the ring. Prefix used is depend on the nature of heteroatom present in ring. For example, if nitrogen is present, the prefix used is aza. If sulfur is present, then prefix used is thia. If oxygen is present, prefix used is oxa. If two heteroatoms are present, if oxygen and nitrogen is present, then prefix used is oxaza. If sulfur and nitrogen, two heteroatoms are present, sulfur and nitrogen, then prefix is thiaza, thia for sulfur and aza for nitrogen. Thus prefix used is depend on the nature of heteroatom, and the suffix is derived from the number of atoms present in the ring, the total number of atoms present in that heterocyclic ring. If three members total 3 members are present in the ring, then suffix used is iridine. If 4 members are present, then suffix is iden. If 5 members are present in the ring, then suffix used is ole. If 6 atoms are present in the ring, then suffix used is ine. If there are total 7 number of atoms are present in the ring, then suffix used is epine, epine. Numbering. When heterocyclic compound contains only one heteroatom, this heteroatom is always given number 1. For example, in case of pyridine, heteroatom is nitrogen. Nitrogen is given number 1 and other carbons are numbered as 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It may be numbered clockwise or anti-clockwise because only one heteroatom is present in ring. If there are different heteroatoms are present in ring, the order of numbering will be O, S, N, P. If there are more than one heteroatoms are present in ring, then preference is given in this order. First preference is given to oxygen, then to sulfur, then nitrogen and then to phosphorus. In case of oxazole, oxygen and nitrogen are present. Hence, number 1 is given to oxygen, preference is given to oxygen and then nitrogen. In case of thiazole, sulfur and nitrogen are present, hence preference is given to sulfur. Number 1 is given to sulfur and then second is carbon and then third number is given to nitrogen. In case of more than one heteroatom is present, the numbering runs in such a direction that the heteroatoms are given lowest possible number. Suppose there are more than one same heteroatoms are present in ring, then numbering is given in such a direction that both the heteroatoms should come at lowest possible number. So here numbering is given so that first nitrogen is at number 1 and second is number at number 2. In case of imidazole, numbering is given in such a way that one nitrogen comes at number 1, then second carbon and third position there is a nitrogen. The state of hydrogenation is indicated in suffix or as by prefixes as dihydro, tetrahydro, etc. In 5-membered heterocyclic ring, if there is a saturation, if there is a addition of hydrogen, this addition is indicated by using prefix like dihydro if 2 hydrogens are added, then dihydro if total ring is saturated, 4 hydrogens are added, then it is called as tetrahydro. For example, tetrahydrofuran. In tetrahydrofuran, 4 hydrogens are added and there is no double bond. Now we will see structure of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds with one heteroatom. First one is furan. Furan is a heterocyclic ring which contains total 5 numbers, one heteroatom. That heteroatom is oxygen and remaining 4 atoms are carbon atoms. IUPAC name is oxazole, oxa for oxygen and OLE for 5-membered ring. Hence, its IUPAC name is oxazole. And the name of drug where this heterocyclic ring is present is furosemide. In furosemide, furan or oxazole is present. Next compound is pyrrole. In pyrrole, it is 5-membered heterocyclic ring in which nitrogen is a heteroatom and other four atoms are carbon atoms. Its IUPAC is azole, Aza for nitrogen and OLE for 5-membered ring. The name of drug where this pyrrole is present is tolmetin. Next heterocyclic ring is thiophene. Thiophene is heterocyclic compound in which there is a presence of sulfur. Sulfur is a heteroatom and other 4 atoms are carbon atoms. Heteroatom is given number 1 and other carbons numbered 2, 3, 4 and 5. IUPAC is thiol, thia for sulfur and OLE for 5-membered ring. The name of drug where this thiophene is present is cephalothin. Now we will see The structures of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds with 2 heteroatoms. First compound is pyrazole. In pyrazole, there are 2 heteroatoms, 2 nitrogens are present, and the remaining 3 atoms are carbon atoms. Its IUPAC is 1,2-diazole. Aza for nitrogen, di means 2, 2 nitrogens are present, and OLE for 5-membered ring. And 1 and 2 are indicating the position of heteroatoms in the ring. The name of drug where pyrazole is present is sulfaphenazole. Rules of nomenclature. One of the rule is when only one double bond is present in 5-membered ring heterocyclic compound, then suffix "lin" is used. For example, in case of pyrazole, there are 2 double bonds are present, but when there is a saturation, when there is addition of hydrogen, and when there is only one double bond is present, then suffix "line", "lin" suffix is used. Means pyrazole is converted into pyrazolene. Here are examples of some pyrazolines. One pyrazolene in which there is a double bond present in between 1 and 2 atoms, 1 and 2, hence it is named a 1 pyrazolene. Second structure, in that double bond is present in between 2 and 3 third number of atom, that is double bond is present in between second number of nitrogen and third number of carbon, hence it is called as 2-pyrazolene. In case of third structure, double bond is present in between 3 and 4, third number of atom and fourth number of atom, both the atoms are carbon atoms, so this is called as 3-pyrazolene. When no double bond is present, then suffix "lidine" is used. In case of pyrazole, when there is no double bond is present, hence every atom is saturated with hydrogen, then suffix used is "lidine". Pyrazole is converted into pyrazolidine and its IUPAC is 1,2-diazolidine. And name of the drug where pyrazolidine is present is phenylbutazone. Next structure is of imidazole. This is also 5-membered heterocyclic compound in which there are 2 heteroatoms. Both the atoms are nitrogen. One atom is at number 1 and second nitrogen is at number 3. Hence its IUPAC is 1,3-diazole. Di for 2, aza for nitrogen, and OLE for 5-membered ring. And 1 and 3 indicating the position of heteroatoms, that is nitrogen, in the ring. The name of drug where imidazole is present is metronidazole. Next structure is imidazolidine. This is the saturated ring of imidazole. When no double bond is present in imidazole, then suffix used is lidine. That is, imidazole is converted into imidazolidine. IUPAC 1,3-diazocyclopentane. The name of drug where imidazolidine is present is phenytoin. Next one is hedantoin. This is imidazolidine 2,4-diones. When in imidazolidine there is an addition of keto groups at number 2 and number 4th carbon, then this is called as imidazolidine 2,4-dione. That is, its common name is hedantoin, and the name of drug where hedantoin is present is phenytoin. Next 5-membered heterocyclic ring is isoxazole. Here heteroatom present are oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen is at number 1, nitrogen is at number 2. Hence it is called as isoxazole. Iso means 2 or second position. So nitrogen is at second position and its IUPAC is 1,2-oxazole. Oxa for oxygen, Aza for nitrogen, and OLE for 5-membered ring. That's why it is 1,2-oxazole. 1 and 2 are showing the number of positions where heteroatoms are present. And the name of drug in which isoxazole present is sulfamethoxazole. Next compound is oxazole. In oxazole, there are two heteroatoms. One is oxygen and one is nitrogen. This is called as oxazole because one heteroatom is at one number and second heteroatom is at third position. Its IUPAC is 1,3-oxazole. Oxa for oxygen, Aza for nitrogen, and OLE for 5-membered ring. And 1 and 3 are indicating position of heteroatoms in the ring. The name of drug where oxazole is present is oxaprozin. Next heterocyclic ring is isothiazole. Here two heteroatoms are present. One is sulfur and another is nitrogen. It is called as its IUPAC is 1,2-thiazole. Thia for sulfur, Aza for nitrogen, and OLE for 5-membered ring. And 1 and 2 are showing positions of heteroatoms. Nitrogen is at second position. That's why it is called as isothiazole. Then the name of drug where isothiazole is present is perospirone. Thiazole 1,3-thiazole. It is having sulfur and nitrogen. Sulfur is at one position and nitrogen is at third position. Its IUPAC is 1,3-thiazole. Thia for sulfur, Aza for nitrogen, and OLE for 5-membered ring. And 1 and 3 are indicating position of heteroatoms in the ring. Name of drug where thiazole is present is thiamine. So in next lecture we will see about 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. Thank you.